नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे RS94 डिविडेंड 1:2 बोनस इशू 1:10 स्टॉक स्प्लिट फॉर स्टॉक टू टर्न EX डेट ऑन Jan 16. RS94 dividend 1:2 bonus issue 1:10 stock split. The EX date is the cutoff date that determines eligible for a corporate action. Investor must buy the stock before the X date to qualify. Share bought on or after the EX date will not carry the benefit on the EX date. The stock price usually adjusts to reflect the dividend payout, bonus issue or stock split. RS94 dividend 1:2 bonus issued 1:10 stock split. Several stocks are set to the turn EX date on January 16, 2026, making the day critical for investor tracking dividend, bonus issue, and stock split. The EX date is the cutoff date that determines eligibility for a corporate action. Investor must buy the stock before the EX date of qualify. Share both on or after the EX date will not carry the benefit. On the EX date, the stock's price usually adjusted to reflect the dividend, payout, bonus issue, or stock split. Below are the stock turning EX date on January 16 and the details of their corporate action. Base AgroLife Ltd will turn EX date on the January 16, 2026 for both a stock split and a bonus share issue. The company has approved a 1:10 stock split where each equity share with a face value of -10 will be split into 10 shares with a fair value of -1 each. Alongside this, the board has declared a 1:2 bonus issue under which shareholder will receive one bonus share for every 2 shares held after the split. The record date and the EX date for both actions are January 16, 2026. The company aims to complete the process by January 31, 2026. For example, an investor holding 100 shares will see the holding reach to 1000 shares after the split. After the bonus issue, the total holding will increase to 1500 shares. The total investment value remains unchanged immediately as the share price adjusts proportionally to the EX date. The new share will be credited automatically to Dividend account. Zaro Institute of Technology Management and Research Ltd will turn EX dividend on January 16, 2026 for its maiden interim dividend. The company has declared a dividend of Rs. 2 per equity share, which is 20% of the face value of Rs. 10. The record date and the EX dividend date are both January 16, 2026. To be eligible, investor must buy the share on or before January 15, 2026. The dividend is expected to be paid on before January 31, 2026. This makes the company first ever interim dividend, signaling improved cash flow visibility. Taltech Limited. Taltech Limited will turn EX dividend on January 16, 2026 for it is the second interim dividend of the financial year. The company has approved a dividend of Rs. 35 per equity share, which translates to 350% of the face value. The record date is the January 16, 2026 and the dividend will be paid on or before February 5, 2026. Tata Tech has a history of paying multiple interim dividends. Earlier payout include Rs. 30 per share in June 2025 and Rs. 25 per share in August 2024, reflecting constant in shareholder returns. Tata Consultancy Service (TCS).